So I have here a graph of the function f of x equals 1/2 x plus 3. That's the line that you see. We're going to look at what happens when we translate this by replacing f of x with f of x plus 5. So all we're going to have to do is take each point on the graph f of x. So let's look at this point right here. I'm just going to move it up 5, so it's going to end up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces up here. And that's going to be my new point. Oops, let's plot that a little bit nicer here. And I'm going to do that with each of the other points on the graph. So let's take a look at this point down here. I'm going to move it up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's going to go right here. So I moved that point up. I'm going to take this point down here and I'm going to move it up 5. That's going to end up right there. I'm going to take a point right here and move it up 5, so it's going to end up right at the top of the screen here. And then I'll take this point down here, move it up 5, it's going to end up right there. We're going to go ahead and connect all of these dots. And we have the line for our function f of x plus 5. So all we did was move each of the points up by 5. We didn't move them to the left, we didn't move them to the right. But this plus 5 tells me that we're going up. We're not going down, we're going up because it's positive, and we're moving it up by 5. If I want to know the actual equation for this line, I know that f of x plus 5 is just equal to f of x, and I know that f of x equals 1/2 x plus 3, and then we add the 5 onto that. So I know that the green line is equal to 1/2 x plus 8. So if I need to know the equation for that function that I graphed, that's the equation. If I just want to graph it, I just take the points and move them up by 5 if the k value here is positive.